You guys know me. I love a good low market cap meme coin in the crypto market because I think those are the ones that could bring you guys those 10, 20, 50, maybe even 100x return. And if you guys have been following crypto for a while now, you guys have probably heard of these meme coins that are kind of tied to the stock market, right? SPX6900, SPX6969. Doge, right? Those are all plays that have run into the multi-millions of dollars, some even into the billions of dollars in market cap. And I think I may have just found the next one. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. I try to help you guys find the next hidden gem, guys. And I honestly do believe that this is one you need to keep a very close eye on. So significantly underrated, sitting under $100,000 market cap. I feel like it's a no-brainer. However, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so please keep that in mind. DYOR, do your own due diligence. And before anything, guys, just remember, I'm only here to entertain you guys. Now, with that being said, guys, let's get right into today's video. So overall crypto market right now having a little bit of a recovery. Crypto markets are looking healthy right now. We're back at 106K for Bitcoin, Ethereum back at 3,620. The US government opening up once again. They're done with their little closure fiasco that they've been going on. Looks like they've reached a deal to end the government shutdown, and this was posted about 10 hours ago. You guys can see here. Last time this has happened, Bitcoin went parabolic. So the last time this happened when the US government opened was back in January 25th of 2019. This propelled the price of Bitcoin in 2019 from about 3,360 to over 12,921 in just a couple months. Not too shabby, and obviously being led by probably the most bullish crypto government there is. I wonder how high we could go this time. And obviously I'm keeping a very close eye on meme coins, as meme coins are going to run very hard. And one of the plays that are going to run, I feel like, are plays that are kind of tied to the Wall Street bet kind of narrative, right? And one of those is BRK6900. BRK is the ticker, guys, the world's most expensive stock, which has now become decentralized, and they are talking about the Berkshire Hathaway stock, which has obviously outperformed the S&P as well for decades right now. And a lot of these other plays that we have here, right, the SPX 6900, which is sitting at 685 million, are all ones that more or less are competing against the crypto markets, or sorry, the S&P, right? And that's what we're taking a look at here. But very similar narrative. However, instead of the S&P, guys, we are tracking Berkshire Hathaway, one of the biggest stocks that has outperformed it for decades, essentially. And then you also have another play such as Doge over here, which is sitting at 9.4 million. And this play that I'm bringing to you guys is severely undervalued, right? And we will take a look at the price in just a bit. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. is an American multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. Originally a textile manufacturer, the company transitioned into a conglomerate starting in 1965 under the management of Chairman and CEO Warren Buffett. If you guys don't know if you guys have heard of him, he's a really small kind of investor there. Maybe search them up. Rise of BRK6900. It all began with a leaked screenshot of Berkshire Hathaway spinoff that caught everyone off guard. BRK6900, the post declared Buffett's hidden gem, blending meme coin energy with stock market potential, 100x or bust. The excitement spread like wildfire. The due diligence was thin, a vague SEC filing, whispers of an AI-powered insurance algorithm, and a single tweet from Warren Buffett's unverified account saying LMFAO, get this bread. The traders did not care. Now the tokenomics look fairly solid. 420,000, million, 690,000, 100% burnt liquidity, zero buy and sell tax. And you see Warren Buffett over here riding a rocket on BRK to the moon. You can see, guys, sitting at $89,000 market cap, not too shabby, hit an all-time high of 200,000. From here, just rallying back to all-time highs, about a 131% gain. And this is a project that came out early in August, had a little bit of a rough patch, guys, because obviously the liquidations that happened. And then in October, funny enough, we started to have a little bit of a recovery, going from 18,000 all the way up to 148K, now finding a little bit of a support at 88,000. If you guys can see what I mean here, because in November 2nd, dropped down to this price and we weren't able to break above it. Hopefully, we're able to flip that right now, and the October one over here, and set it as support and start a move towards the upside. You can see here, guys, This is their X account. Make sure you guys go follow them over on X to stay up to date with the latest information about the project. But if it could do anything even similar, remotely similar to what Doge to SPX has done, then you will see a massive amount of money flow into this project, which gets me a little excited. So make sure you guys follow them on X and stay up to date with relevant information. You can see here, if you're reading this and searching for the next 1000x gem, BRK is here to stay. Generational wealth with this opportunity. Take it. A couple weeks ago since I posted, this one had its retracement in the markets lately, but BRK is looking like a strong buy here. Even Warren Buffett is cooking with this one. Revamp has begun and YouTube campaign is starting soon. Engaging the Telegram community, it's still alive and kicking. I will leave a link in the description, guys, to their website as well as the contract address. And this is why I think the markets are going to recover fairly soon. Once the government shutdown ends, which it will be, market is going to explode with bullish news. $2,000 stimmy checks. QT is ending. December rate cuts are coming. QE is going to be starting. 155 altcoin ETFs and the crypto market structure bill. You are not bullish enough. Also, just recently, over $150 billion has just been added to the crypto market. Trump will also give $2,000 per person in stimulus checks to US citizens. The crypto market is about to go parabolic. Now, this is part of the reason as to why we saw massive rallies in the last cycle, in the the COVID cycle, guys, because a lot of it was due to the stimulus checks that they were printing. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you guys what to do. However, this project does look very promising. Now, I will leave a link down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. With that being said, though, family, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out.